Turtle Eye Dissection by Robert Jakubik and Patrick Burns. As you can see, the turtle has no shell. It was a very long and tedious process taking the shell off the turtle. Once we took the shell off the turtle, it was easy to see all its organ structures within the turtle. First off, we'll be talking about the digestive system within the turtle and how that works. We'll start talking about the turtle's mouth and how that plays an important role in its digestive system. The pharynx is the first thing shown in the diagram, is a hollow tube that starts behind the nose and ends at the top of the trachea. The windpipe and the esophagus, this tube that goes down to the stomach. Next, the gluten is the passageway by which food passes from the mouth to the stomach. Next, the glottis is the vocal apparatus of the larynx, consisting of the true vocal cords and the rena glottis. Next, and finally, is the internal nares. It is like a nose of the turtle. You can compare it to the nose of a human. The next important structure that lies within the turtle is called the trachea. The trachea is the windpipe which connects the larynx and the bronchi of the turtle. As shown in the diagram, the left tube of the turtle is called the trachea. In addition, the gluten or the esophagus is the right tube of the turtle. After the food goes into gullet or the esophagus, it enters the stomach. The stomach is defined as a sac-like enlargement of the arterial canal, as in humans and certain animals, forming an organ for storing, diluting, and digesting food. The stomach digests food by churning it and adding strong acids to the mixture to break down the food. After the food is digested through the stomach, it enters the small intestine. The primary function of the small intestine is to absorb the nutrients of the food. The small intestine is very large in diameter in the turtle because of the turtle's poor job of chewing and digesting the food. After the food goes to the small intestine, it enters the large intestine. The large intestine is thick, lower end of the digestive system containing apodex, colon, and rectum. Its principal function is to reabsorb water and maintain the fluid balance of the body. Certain vitamins are also taken in through the large intestine wall. After it goes through the turtle's large intestine, it exits the body as waste. For this process, the liver is the filter for the digestive system in the turtle. The liver is considered the filter because it processes toxins including nitrogen waste for the kidneys from the body. In addition, the liver makes bile, stores glycogen, and vitamins. Turtle shells could have evolved from the hard plates on reptiles such as crocodiles into turtles with hard outer shells. It also could have developed from the ribs and backbones of other reptiles. Unfortunately, a turtle has a 3-chamber heart. The difference between a 4-chamber heart and a 3-chamber heart is a 4-chamber heart is a closed system that ensures that all blood passing through it is oxygenated. A 3-chamber heart has both oxygenated and non-oxygenated blood mixed in a single ventricle, therefore the blood is, at best, only half oxygenated. A 3-chambered creature would suffer more exhaustion long before a 4-chambered creature would. Overall, the turtle's internal structures are very similar to the pig's internal structures. The only difference is that some of these internal structures may be placed differently. The difference between these animals is their external features and their body shape, and how they serve different purposes. Turtles seem to be somewhat advanced in evolution due to their shell, but they have a 3-chamber heart rather than a 4-chamber heart. They are more advanced than a worm and a lamprey, but not more advanced than a fetal pig.